Yeah, man. Listen. Some people feel the rain, some only get wet. Some out to Kingston connection. Real talk. Yeah, yeah, man. Oh. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan bumabagsak, di lahat nakakaget. Feel it deeper than water, soul na forget. Basa man ang katawan, spirit na afraid. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa unos ng buhay, sino bang legit? Feel it deeper than water, puso ang asset. Di lahat ng basa may aral na bit-bit. Yeah, yeah, clouds rolling, parang bigat sa dibdib. Thunderclap loud, parang galit sa paligid. Pero ako steady kahit hangin mabagsik. Cause pain is a teacher, every drop got a script. Them say storm coming, me say blessing in disguise. Kahit madilim, may liwanag sa skies. Hindi lang ulan to, mensahe ng buhay. Kung marunong ka lang tumingin at magnilay. Basang-basa sila pero walang naramdaman. Ako kahit konti lang may lalimang dahilan. Hindi lahat ng luha ay basta patakan. Iba'y gising, iba'y tulog sa katotohanan. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan bumabagsak, di lahat nakakaget. Feel it deeper than water, soul na forget. Basa man ng katawan, spirit na afraid. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa unos ng buhay, sino bang legit? Feel it deeper than water, puso ang asset. Di lahat ng basa may aral na bit-bit. Raga fire burn habang ulan ay buhos. Sa bawat patak may kwento na tumatagos. From trench town vibe to barangay kanto. Same struggle, same fight, parehong mundo mise. Rise up kahit basa ang daan. Putik man sa paa, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Di sukatan ng ulan kung gaano kabigat. Kung puso mo'y sarado, wala ka matatanggap. Hear the drum beat, parang tibok ng lupa. Roots deep inside, kahit bagyo di magpapauga. Tagalog flow with the island vibration. Truth in the rain, universal revelation. Feel it, deeper than water. Hindi lang ito basta patak sa lupa. Feel it, deeper than water. Kaluluwa mo ba ay marunong kumapa? Drop by drop, wisdom never stop. Life is the rhythm and the raindrop. Tick-tock time, every second divine. Kung di mo maramdaman, blind ka sa sign. Hindi lahat ng basa ay may realization. Iba nalunod sa sariling illusion. Ako'y nakikinig sa bawat pagbuhos. Cause truth comes down when the sky gets loose. From pain to power, hour by hour. Rain give life to every seed and flower. Kaya kahit bagyo, di ako uurong. Sa ulan ako'y buhay, hindi lang kinukulong. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan ng buhay, di mo dapat i-regret. Feel it deeper than water, don't you forget. Every drop a message, every pain a step. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Gising sa katotohanan yan ang secret. Feel it deeper than water, puso ang weapon. Sa gitna ng ulan, doon ka matetes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Di lahat ng nababasa nakakaintindi. Feel it deeper than water. Yeah, man. After the rainfall comes the rainbow. Some feel the journey, some just pass through. Some are to Kingston. Hear the truth. Yeah, God. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. After the storm, rainbow, no forget rainbow after the rain. Blessing you gain, kung dinaanan mo, may liwanag na darating. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa dulo ng unos, may pag-asa pa rin. Said rainbow after the rain. Kulay ng buhay, kung dama mo ang ulan, makikita mo ang gabay. Yeah. Rain fall hard on the rooftop tin, parang trials knocking deep within. Pero me stand firm, na run away, cause every dark night bring brighter day. Hindi lang ulan to, daan ng pagbabago. Sa bawat patak, unti-unting tayo'y nabubo. Kung titiisin mo ang lamig at sakit, may gantimpala sa dulo, liwanag ang kapalit. Them just wet up, complain, but pain, me give thanks to the pouring rain. Basang-basa but me vision clear, cause rainbow sign always near. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. After the storm, rainbow, no forget. Rainbow after the rain, blessing you gain. Kung dinaanan mo, may liwanag na darating. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa dulo ng unos, may pag-asa pa rin set. Rainbow after the rain, kulay ng buhay. Kung dama mo ang ulan, makikita mo ang gabay. Oh, makikita mo ang daray. From yard side breeze to provincial sky, same rainbow arch when the clouds pass by. Habagat flow meet Caribbean sun, colorful promise for everyone. Basa ang lupa pero buhay ang bukas, sa ulan nagsimula ang bagong lakas. Hindi mo makikita kung di ka nagtiyes, ang ganda ng bahagari kung dinaanan mo ang sakit. Miss a hold firm when the storm get rough. Life get hard but you must be tough. Tagalog heart with the Rastafari. Rainbow blessing lift you higher. After the rain comes the light. Pagkatapos ng dilim may kulay na bright. Feel the pain, then you see rainbow sign of destiny. Drip drop tears turn into glow. Every struggle help his spirit grow. Kung di mo dinama, di mo makikita ang pitong kulay ng tunay na biyaya. Hindi lahat ng basa ay may gantimpala, pero ang marunong magtiis may makikita. Sa dulo ng unos may bagong simula. Rainbow rising, pag-asa'y dala. Me walk through storm, na lose me way. Every rainfall lead to brighter day. No missy colors in a the sky so white. Truth and hope standing side by side. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Pero ang tunay sa aral kumukuha ng strength. Rainbow after the rain, never neglect. Sa bawat unos may blessing na next. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Pero ang gising marunong mag-connect. Rainbow after the rain, liwanag ng landas, dami ng ulan, at aangat ka sa wakas. Oh, yeah. Kung di mo dinama ang ulan, hindi mo makikita ang bagay. Rainbow after the rain.
Yeah, fire upon the water. Summer to Kingston, one vibration. Some feel it, some miss it. Hear this. Yeah, yeah. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Balat na babasa pero wala pang depth. Wet skin, dry spirit, di pa nagigets. Kung di mo dama, paano ka aangat? Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa bawat patak may lihim na connect. Wet skin, dry spirit, kulang sa inside. Gising ang kaluluwa kahit madilim ang night. Raindrop fall pan zinc roof sound, parang heartbeat ng lost and found. Sa bawat patak may tawag sa isip, pero iba'y tulog di marinig. Hindi lang ito simpleng ulan, ito'y aral na bumababa sa bayan. Kung puso mo'y sarado parang pinto, kahit bagyo pa wala kang makukuha rito. Them just sweat up, no feeling inside. Me walk through the storm with truth as me guide. Basang damit pero apoy ang dip in a fire blazing kahit mundo'y malamig. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Balat na papasa pero wala pang dip. Wet skin, dry spirit, di pa nagigets. Kung di mo dama, paano ka angat? From island breeze to a bagat flow, same life lesson everywhere we go. Kingston ghetto to probinsya street, same struggle, same rhythm, same heartbeat. Basa ang lupa, tumutubo ang buhay, pero sa iba, wala lang daan lang ang ulan. Di nila kita ang binhi sa putik, di nila dama ang lakas ng tubig. Minsan is your soul when the rain start fall, not just cover head, feel the call. Tagalog lupa tuway, truth unify. If spirit dry, then you live in a lie. Red skin, dry spirit, hindi sapat ang makita, kailangan marinig. Red skin, dry spirit, buhay ay ulan, damin mo kapatid. Drip drop wisdom from the cloud top, non-stop message when the sky open up. Take every second, got a lesson inside. Kung di mo ma-feel, parang patay na alive. Hindi lahat ng ulan ay basta sakuna, minsan ito'y biyaya na di mo pa makita. Open your heart, let the message flow. Kahit gano'ng kalakas, just let it grow. Di na fear storm, ni embrace the pain, cause every drop cleanse like spiritual rain. Wet to the bone, but me soul stay lit. Them dry inside, me na live like it. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa gitna ng unos, doon ka susubok legit. Wet skin, dry spirit, don't forget. Kung walang lalim, wala ring epekto. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Pero ang tunay marunong umintindi ng signal. Wet skin, dry spirit, break that chain. Dami ng ulan, doon nagsisimula ang game. Yeah, hindi sapat na mabasa ka lang, dapat maramdaman mo. But never dry spirit. Yeah, ulang bumabagsak, pero di lahat nakakaintindi. Some feel it, some just pass through, island to island, through the flow. Yeah, some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan ng katotohanan, di lahat nakakaget. Patak ng buhay, bawat isa may meaning. Kung bukas ang puso, doon kagigising. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa bawat pagbuhos, may mensahe na direct. Ulan ng katotohanan, hugas ng kaluluwa. Kung dama mo ito, may liwanag na dala. Raindrops fall like wisdom from the sky. Every little drop got a reason why. Pero iba'y takbo, ayaw mabasa. Takot sa lalim ng tunay na biyaya. Hindi lang ulan to, salita ng may kapal. Sa bawat patak may lihim na aral. Kung sarado isip, wala kang makikita. Kahit binaba ka na ng biyaya, them get wet but them never fail. Me stand firm pan truth so real. Basang-basa pero gising ang diwa. Sa unos ko nakita ang tunay na himala. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan ng katotohanan, di lahat nakakaget. Patak ng buhay, bawat isa may meaning. Kung bukas ang puso, doon ka igising. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Sa bawat pagbuhos, may mensahe na direct. Ulan ng katotohanan, hugas ng kaluluwa. Kung dama mo ito, may liwanag na dala. Some Kingston, yeah, to barrio in. Same revelation in the falling rain. Habagat winds and the Caribbean breeze. Carry one truth through the tall trees. Basa ang daan, madulas ang galaw. Pero doon mo makikita kung sino ang tunay. Hindi sukatan ng dami ng ulan, kundi kung paano mo to pinapakinggan. Me say open your heart, let the truth pour in. Wash off the lies, cleanse the hinugasan, di mo matatakasan. Feel it deep in a soul. Truth of the fire we make you whole. Drip drop truth on the concrete ground. Lost souls wandering, can't hear the sound. Signal from the sky but them not tune in. Too much noise, can't hear within. Hindi lahat ng bahay kapahamakan. Minsan ito'y daan sa pagbabago ng isipan. Kung marunong ka lang tumingin sa taas, makikita mo rin ang liwanag sa wakas. Me walk through the storm, never afraid. Every dark cloud got a brighter shade. Ulan ng truth make the warrior rise. Clear vision now, open me eyes. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Ulan ng katotohanan, don't you forget. Sa bawat patak may tawag ng liwanag. Kung dama mo to, di ka maliligaw. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Pero ang tunay marunong mag-connect. Ulan ng katotohanan, daloy ng buhay. Damin mo ng buo at ikaw ay mabubuhay. Di lahat ng nababasa ay nakakakita. Pero ang marunong makiramdam, siyang tunay na malaya.
From the hills to the island, truth a fall. Some feel the rain, some just stand in it. Revelation time, come in. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Rainfall, revelation, truth them not get. Bawat patak may lihim na signal. Kung dama mo ito, buhay mo mag-level. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Di lang to tubig, mensahe direct. Rainfall, revelation, open your soul. Pag tinanggap mo, magiging buo. Rain start fall on the rooftop sound. Echo like wisdom all around. Pero iba'y busy, di pinapansin. Nawawala sa ingay, di marinig ang hangin. Hindi lang ito basta ulan sa langit. Ito'y paalala na di ka maliit. Sa bawat patak may tawag ng liwanag. Pero kung sarado ka, wala kang matanggap. Them just soak. Now inside within, me feel every drop on me skin. Basang katawan pero mind awake. Every rainfall got a pot fit. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Rainfall, revelation, truth them na get. Bawat patak may lihim na signal. Kung dama mo ito, buhay mo mag-level. Hey! Message everywhere you go. Habagat winds meet Caribbean style. Truth travel far, mile to mile. Basta ang lupa tumutubo ang panibago. Pero sa iba wala lang, daan lang ang bagyo. Hindi nila dama ang lalim ng tubig, kaya nananatiling sarado ang dibdib. Me say, cleanse your heart when the rain start pour. Every drop knock on you in the door. Tagalog words with the Rasta tone. One truth echo, you never alone. Revelation in the rainfall. Makinig ka sa bawat patakol. Revelation deep in our soul. Truth and fire make you whole. Drip drop message from the cloud 9, hidden in the rhythm, coded in time. Kung di mo maramdaman, sayang ang chance. Life keep knocking but you never advance. Hindi lahat ng ulan ay simpleng basa. Minsan ito'y sagot sa tanong ng tadhana. Kung bubuksan mo lang ang just get wet. Rainfall revelation, don't forget. Sa bawat buhos may lim na aral. Kung dama mo ito, di ka na mawawala. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet.